Hello again, my friends and pilots out there. Yesterday, against my better judgment, winds were blowing pretty good. Probably a steady, sustained wind in the teens and gust up around 30 miles an hour. But I got impatient, got out my old F-18 here and decided to go fly it. Well, I had quite a battle with the wind, and the wind tore my aileron completely off. Anyway, I thought about putting it back on there and trying to glue it. I thought maybe the glue would be a little too stiff and it wouldn't have the flex it needs. Maybe it would, maybe it wouldn't, I don't know. But I've had something in mind I wanted to try, and I found these little hinges at the hobby store. And what I'm going to do is try to hinge my aileron. And put it, kind of close to center there. And I'm going to mark it out. And I'm going to countersink it just a little bit. What I'm going to do is take my Dremel and let's see how that looks. Looks pretty good. And then we'll take my hot glue gun, my best friend, my best friend after crashes, and glue it real well. Put that right there. Extend that hinge out just about over center there. Press it in real good. And that should hold it right there. Hot glue gets a little messy sometimes. No, actually, looks like that's going to work pretty well, actually. And now that I'm thinking about it, I might have could have put that hinge, turned it around and put it underneath. Might do that next time. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Put it about where it was. Pull it out just a little bit. Mark it. Do the same thing to the wing. You got a little spot here. See how that looks. Looks pretty good. Got plenty of throw. A little bit with it. Oh yeah. I think that's going to work well. Put a little hot glue on it. press it down. That looks like it made a pretty good hinge. So how much throw we got on the other side. Doing a little thinking here, that's why I'm not doing too much talking. Try to get my linkage hooked back up here. The linkage rod's a little long. It doesn't need to be that long. I could trim it a little bit, I guess. And let me try one more time, see if I can get it in there. Okay, I'm gonna have to trim that some. Anyway, as you can see, the hinge works quite well. That was the main reason I made this video, is for the hinge itself. We'll worry about linkages later. I'm going to trim that just a little bit so make it easier to hook up. But it moves nice and easy, and looks like I got plenty of throw both ways. Just a thought, just something some of you guys run into the same situation. The little hinge, it's a quick fix for it. Where it's going to really tell the stories when I take it out and fly it. And I'll make another video and let you know how that turned out. So anyway, we'll conclude this for today and see how the little hinge works out, and I'll let you know. You guys take care and happy flying.